by himself there for a second. Let him sit there. He'll come off in a minute.
All right, I'm filming him.
Stay right there. Stay position. You need to get in the water more, buddy.
Long battle for this fish.
I know.
Been released as clean as possible here, and it's gonna come back for it.
He'll bite someone else's someday.
One day, yeah. And I'll be back in 2 weeks. You know?
Yeah, that's right.
There he is. Wants to go.
There he goes.
He's thinking about it.
He's thinking.
Getting a little life.
There he goes.
Uh-oh.
Ah. There he goes. Look at that. He's swimming now. Let's watch him for a minute. Oh yeah, there he is. He's right in there.
Swimming?
Yeah.
He stayed up?
That's
I
right.
think that's good once he did that.